Hey everybody, Dan here with TrendSpider, and I wanted to make a quick video to focus in on one of our most popular features, scanning. Scanning is like being able to Google for trading opportunities. Seriously, if you can describe a trading scenario to a friend or another trader, you can search the market for it. So in this video, I wanted to highlight how easy and fast it is to build a custom scan in TrendSpider without any technical experience or any programming knowledge. So let's jump into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Market Scanner in the top toolbar. Now this will open the lower panel. Here I can configure my scan and tell the system what I want to look for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how flexible this is by building a set of conditions, and then I'm going to choose a real scan that's likely to pick up some results so you can see what that'll look like as well. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to click on Add Parameter here. This is going to open a menu where we can choose condition, condition group, or load for template. We're just going to choose condition. And here we're going to create a scan of mixed conditions. So I'll start at the bottom and we'll pick news content, and we'll say we only want names to come up in our scan that have an article in the last, call it 30 days, that mentions the FDA. That's pretty cool, but we can keep going. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for dividends that are growing. So we're going to dividend yield is greater than dividend yield 1 quarter ago by changing this number to a 1. Next, we're going to add some technical conditions. So let's say we want a 15-minute simple moving average to be greater than daily exponential moving average. We can do that. You'll notice how we're mixing 2 different time frames and 2 different types of moving averages here in one condition. This is one of the cool capabilities of this scanner, and one of the things that really sets it apart, the ability to mix and match time frames and conditions and so forth together. Now we can keep going here. Let's say we also only care about stocks that have had a recent analyst update or upgrade. So we can select an upgrade there. We can also add a negative condition. Let's put a group here, and let's say that we want to exclude any stock that's popular in Wall Street bets in the last 30 days. So we can set that up as well by selecting none of the following. So I hope you get the idea here. You can keep going. You can build some very fancy and complicated scans that mix and match any set of criteria you can dream of. Technical, fundamental, news, corporate events, whatever you can dream of. And then you can search the market for those things. So let me pull up a real scan. I'm going to pull up, let's pull up Williams Fractal Bottom Scan. This is one that I've used a fair amount. And this scan you can see is a very complex scan. It has a whole bunch of different conditions in it. So what we can do is we can click the scan button, we can search the market and see what comes up in the results. And that's it. You can see as this is running, we're picking up symbols. You can see the results populate there on the right. And that makes it very, very easy for me to just pull up a scan and use it. Now, let's say I like this scan and I want to use it, but I don't want this giant panel at the bottom of my screen. So all I have to do here is just switch to that scan as a watch list. Now I can close the scanner and I have the same exact results from the same exact scan open in my sidebar. And because it's in the sidebar, and you can have up to 6 sidebar widgets on any TrendSpider workspace, this means you can have up to 6 scanners running at once at the same time. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this feature. This is one of the most powerful and popular things in TrendSpider. Obviously, it's also just one feature. There's hundreds of other powerful, one-of-a-kind trading tools built into TrendSpider. If you haven't tried it, sign up now so you can explore. Thank you. Have a great day.